Remember to always have good tunes when you work. Whatever music you like and you play it, puts you in a good mood, you get more things done, and the work on the bikes is easier, and it's just a real good way of doing it. I've got a huge shop system up here, and here, and here. And those are two big speakers, and there's a bass somewhere down below, and then I have a speaker right here. And it's just great for old music, and I like to listen to it, working on my bikes, and it makes it fun to come out in the shop. So anyway, we'll carry on, and if you have a Zuma like this where you need to change the tires or do some work like I'm doing, then just come along and watch. One last thing, I made a list right here. 2026 parts list for next spring. I want a drive belt, a spark plug, a new clutch center spring, which is that big yellow one, new front disc pads, one set, new rear brake shoes, one set. I want one stock headlight. They come with these really weird looking lights, okay? Change the oil, change the coolant, clean or change, and I forgot what that was. So if you do all the work now before it gets cold, I'm right up near Canada, and it's colder than hell up there. Anyway, thanks for watching. We shall continue, and I'll keep making little videos that may help someone. All right, Dio Speed Demon.